So for the reception, you want to be in a couple specific areas. Again, just like the ceremony, a lot of times people tend to be in the wrong position or try too much. They just make things harder for themselves, and they don't end up getting the shot. Really important thing is you have to know your venue, where people are coming in. If they're there's so many different ways people do it, and really weird ways. They'll be walking through doors, they'll be taking right angles and things. So you have to know, you have to position yourself in a way that you'll get them coming through the door. The dance floor might, so what I'm saying is, they might come in through a door, through a hallway, and the dance floor is over, completely in a different spot. And if you're in the dance floor ready for it, you're gonna miss that whole thing. It's not gonna work. So you have to kind of be in position for that. Make sure your wide shot is kind of in the dance floor where people are gonna be. Obviously make sure that's up as high as you can and get that wide shot and have it in focus and everything we talked about. Make sure that you're in that position for when people are coming in. And then as the bridal party comes in and then you see the bride and groom, I think that's the time, follow the bride and groom onto the dance floor. So as you're it's such a great dynamic shot, just keep walking with them. You can circle around them, whatever you want, but kind of seeing them enter into the space is really good. Where someone is with them before the doors open, you kind of see them in a private moment, and then you see the doors open and they walk in, and you're walking behind them, and it's really a nice shot. The same thing with the ceremony too. I love to get that shot. If you have two people or more, you can have the person with the bride walking in, either from into the church, or they're waiting for the doors to open, and then you kind of see them and you follow them in. It's a great shot. I can't believe sometimes people don't get that shot, but it's really it's one of those really awesome shots that you should get every time that you can. You might upset a couple of photographers again, but just let them know what you're going to do so they can kind of work around you so they don't automatically know. But again, I wouldn't not do my shot just because a photographer doesn't want me to.